Good day everyone! I'm here again to cook for you. Today, I have prepared this liver cheese. Look at this. It's very yummy, the one. And these 3 potatoes which already boiled, just peeling up, and a few green peas. Look at this, it's very good with when I bought more than what I need for one day. I just freezing it by myself. Everything, any kind of vegetable, if I have more than enough, and I mean extra, I can freeze them. I prepare it, and when I need it, then I just grab into my freezer. So this is what I have to cook for today. So first, I show you how yummy this liver cheese. I just prepare it into 2 slices. Like this, okay? I just only cook what I can enough for today, and I have to peel these potatoes. Okay, let me set aside this one, and using this bread knife. This potato already boiled, so it is easy to prepare then. And you can use also without boil this kind of potatoes, but since I have more than enough time to prepare, then I can slowly boil it. Then the remaining I just put into a chill so that I can eat them anytime. Okay. One whole liver cheese is too much for me, so I just keep it for the next or tomorrow morning. And the potatoes, I just cut it into a thin slice like this. And later I will fry to make this crunchy. I have too much potato. It's okay, it's fine, and I like it. Then I want to cut this to here. Just half of onion, and cut it into a small slice too. Okay, and I just add this amount of butter. You know what, when I put a little bit oil so that it will not stick too much. Okay, so I just rolling this onion including this butter so that will mix up all together, and add this potato. Okay, okay, so don't mix it up the mix so that it will not burning, or you have more option to this, you can lower this piece. I just cut into like this so I can cook it then later. I can mix up later, but I want this potato crunchy first to turn brown, and of course they go crunchy. Now I mix up this piece. You can add more as you like, but a little bit with this it's okay. Okay, let it cook a little bit more. It's very yummy, this kind of meal. Yeah, I don't eat rice this day. Now this one, it's cooked enough. Look at this. So I just set it to here, and I want to use again another of my pot. Okay, to start. At this time, I'm using pork fat to fry the leberkaese. I put into a chill. The pork fat, which you can use for frying, it's very tasty, like a fresh meat. So any kind of vegetables for fry, for stir fry, I mean, you can use the pork fat to make your dish yummy. Okay. Oh, very good. I have to prepare. Let me cook first. Okay, so a little bit more. Okay, now I have to take it out. A new butter, okay? And a little bit this a little bit flour. And I have to cook a little bit this flour into a butter. I will add a little bit milk. And I have to add a little bit if not enough, then you have to add more milk. Okay, more with the dark soy. Okay, this I make my own sauce with the liver cheese. With this is corn flour. I will add a little bit water. Okay, that amount of water, and a little bit sugar, just a little bit, don't too much, just a pinch of sugar, and this is dark soy. My remaining I must finish this first. Okay, alright, so I can use everything. So this one I will add that later. Now I have to heating up. Okay, then I will use butter and melting it. Sauce, it's don't need that much, so I'm just using this small one. Okay, then just let it, look at that. You can see when the sauce turning into darkened color, like a transparent. And to make my sauce perfect, I have to use a little bit of my special ingredients. Okay, if you want a little bit salty with your with your sauce, you may add salt, just a pinch of salt, and 1 pinch, 2 pinch, then that's also okay. Very quick one. I just put into higher setting, so just heating it again, and everything, it's so that everything goes perfect and hot enough to prepare and to serve, I mean. So so this is for now. I have to okay, it's very good, and just I just pour it. Okay, wow, it's a big meal. It's a very big but you can stir it a little bit so that can mix. And this is now a very interesting one, which you can pour with your special sauce on it, and it's very good. I'm sure this is now our potato leberkaese meal for today. Please enjoy this meal, and thanks for watching, and see you again next videos.